Joshua. He's just playing.
Like I said, he took his thumb and would just swipe it.
Careful, it'll fall right off.
Here.
Elmo.
I always have to throw it on the floor.
Joshua, it's Elmo. No, you have to smash it in his face.
Like I said, Mommy's taking his thumb and just...
Yeah, he doesn't like to get too messy.
Especially after a guy.
Now he wants to play with them, though.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Poke his nose.
I think that's what Cameron did too, didn't he? He just kind of sat there and looked at it.
Yeah.
Give him a taste of it, and he'll probably dive in. I mean, just take
He doesn't want
a piece
it.
off with your finger.
Here.
What's he doing? Sticking it in his face?
Yeah.
All my hard work. Going
Is
down
that
into
good?
someone's stomach.